Hey, what's up guys, how are you doing today? Here in this video we're going to be discussing about how to make money on Fiverr as a community manager. So if you have idea on how to manage a community, either Discord platform, Facebook platform, uh Twitter community, LinkedIn community platform, so you'll be able to make lots of money on Fiverr managing all those community platforms. So let's say for instance, searching on Fiverr and searching for community manager. As you can see here, we have uh, people that manage just a random platform. This particular person manage Telegram or Discord community management, MOD and CX agent. So this particular seller will manage a Discord server and he is charging $1,500 for a basic package, as you can see here. And this is just 7 days management. This is wow. This is 14 days management and this is 30 days management. Really, this is huge. 1,500 per 7 days. Wow. And also you can see some other platform as well, managing NFT discords, be your community manager on social media platforms such as YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest and Snapchat. Okay, this particular person also manage social media platform community management. And also, as you can see here, this is still huge because it's having less than 1,000 gigs with this particular keywords. So let's say for instance we search for discord 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 manager. Discord is still fast rising as people pay more money to manage their Discord server for them, because this is all about NFT, cryptocurrency and all this kind of stuffs. And buyers and clients in this kind of niche are very rich and they are ready to pay good amount of dollars to hire a professional to manage their community for them. So there are a lot of money in which you can actually make if you are a professional in Discord uh, platform. So if you can help them manage uh, their Discord platform effectively, so you are going to make a lot of money. So also, as well as Telegram platform, there are a lot of rich clients on that in that niche as well. So you can manage their Telegram community group and make a lot of money. Same things goes to YouTube community and also some other platform as well, such as Snapchat, uh, Facebook groups and other related platform as well. But I'm very sure about managing a Discord platform will get you more richer and faster than any other community platform. So the second platform should be maybe Facebook or Telegram. So I can between both platforms. So I think Telegram should go after the Discord server. Although this Discord is not that really uh, popular, just like Telegram or Facebook community, but within this time this Discord is available, so definitely it has take over and people are really making a lot of money with it. So if you have idea or you are an experienced community manager, this is a way for you to make money on this platform. So come online on Fiverr and set up your gig and create a gig with the gig title, I will be your Discord server community manager, and start making a lot of money. And if you want to be a competitor to all these sellers, so you have to offer a lesser price, something around 200 150 bucks for the basic package, and also maybe $500 for the premium package. So within the time, you'll be able to meet up to the standard and also charge just like they charge as well. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question regarding this video, kindly drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you.